Hello there, guys. So today, guys, we're dealing with this 2010 Volkswagen Astra, and it's quite dirty. It has a lot of road grime, salts. It's been doing a lot of motorway miles recently. So start off with a wheel clean as usual. I'm testing out my new Venice pump sprayer. I got a bigger one, the 2-liter one, so I can just put more chemicals in it, spray the whole vehicle, spray the wheels, spray the wheel arches. It just seems to be the right amount for me. So first of all, we're going to scrub the tires with our tire scrubbing brush. Doing a nice scrub. Then I use my favorite Viking brush. I've been using this brush for a year, guys. It's so durable and it's quite cheap. I think it costs you about 10 quid. And yeah, get one. It's relatively soft and it gets the dirt out of your wheel. Now we're gonna rinse off the wheel tire cap. With these wheel caps, it's quite easier to wash the wheel. You don't have to do the wheel barrel, so just do the face of the wheel. And just do a rinse off on the wheel arch. So now I'm spraying the same chemical on the lower half of the vehicle. As you can see, it's quite dirty. Spraying it mostly on the lower half. The top half, we're probably going to give it just a rinse. It's not that dirty. Now I'll show you what we're going to do after the pre-wash. So on hatchbacks like these, I spray the rear window as well because there's a lot of dirt build up on the back. Basically, the whole back of average hatchback is covered in mud. And as you can see, the APC really eats through the dirt, and then you can just simply rinse it off, and it will ease off the contact wash. And I kind of think it's really important to do a pre-wash. I've never thought it before, but now I definitely see the benefit of pre-washing the car. It just makes your life way easier than performing a contact wash, especially a rinseless contact wash. So my IK foam spray, it's not a foam sprayer, it's an IK pump sprayer. It's a 1-liter one. I have ONR diluted 1:26, optimum no rinse, for those who might not know. I just barely use it as like a surface pre-treatment, so my it can glide through the surface. Although the surface was already wet, it might not make a lot of difference. This is optional, you don't really have to do it, but you can if you want. So today my shampoo of choice is ONR, 25 milliliters per 5 liters of solution. I'm using my multi-mint method today as well. This is a Simonis wash mitt, really thick, really gentle, really soft and nice. Gets all the dirt on it and picks up all the dirt, and it's really soft, and it really works well with rinseless shampoos, rinseless washes. So as you can see, I always work in straight motions. I go back and forth, but I don't use circular motions. Not just because I'm concerned about swirl marks or anything like that, just because it's just easier. So this is a Seal and Shine. This is a product I just got the day before from Halfords. It cost me 8 quid, so I just thought that tried it out. Forensic Detail channel really recommended it, and I'm using it at the moment as a drying aid, and I just want to see when I perform my next wash how it will last. So because before that, this car had Turtle Wax's hybrid solution ceramic wax, but this time I decided to put this on using my Auto Finesse Aqua Towel. Now I'm wiping down the dirt jams with the same ONR solution. Wherever I have access to, I wipe it down. The jams on this card are not that bad, so it's quite easy to clean them up. Then again, the goal of any valet is to make the car look presentable, and this really does help to do so. I'll be doing a little vacuuming. This is my old cordless vacuum cleaner. I just do a quick vacuum. It lasts about 10 minutes, but I have my Works vacuum cleaner as well, just in case. This car is relatively clean. It's only a bit dusty, and I'm just literally using my microfiber towel. One like damp side I use to wipe down the panel. The other one I just use to buff off the excess. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all this car needs. Because I did detail it prior to that. I did give it a bit of a deeper clean. Now it's all about just maintaining it, and it's quite easy to do so. And yeah, so it's the same thing I'm doing on other interior surfaces, even the fabric seats, all the other fabrics. And I'm using the Turtle Waxes interior cleaner with odor removal, and it works on all surfaces, including fabrics, plastics, and etc. So this one I'm doing this. I wipe them down, and I'm just buffing off the excess. Here I'm using my Swifter. It's a really nice tool, especially honestly I just use it for the panels in the front, because it's harder to reach. So what the Swifter does is it just picks up dust and keeps it there. These tires have been so dried out, so I literally had to give it a few more sprays on my pad to add it on the tire. It's a big tire as well, so you need to work in the product. And the product is the one that I always use, Autoglim Quick Tire Shine. Works great, be easy to remove, and I never had problems with it. So there's some excess on the wheel caps from the tire shine that I sprayed. Just gave a Windows a final wipe down, and that's it. Because I've seen a few streaks. Though this is the final result, guys. Car looks brand new again. Looks really nice. This is my regular client. I do her car every 2-3 months. Her car, on the outside, it gets averagely dirty. On the inside, it's relatively clean. It's nice to deal with, so I don't charge that much for this car. But it looks clean. Looks clean inside. It's in good shape, this car, although it did quite a bit of miles. I think it's like 90,000, close to 100. But it's a nice car, considering all the mileage that it did. So yeah, this is just a quick video on how I normally do my valets, guys. So stay tuned in my YouTube channel, and I'll see you later in my next videos. So see you guys. Like and subscribe. See you later, guys. Cheers. Bye.